Hi everyone, I decided to make this very quick video because I saw in one of the groups I belong to on Facebook someone who posted a post about using her planner now that it's a brand new year and decorating it with washi tape. And as you know, many of you know anyway, that I am a paper artist. I do make note cards, and I love planning, but I'm not a planner like some people are. I will keep a notebook and I will put all my appointments, and I won't really decorate it too much. But because I am a creative artist with a Etsy shop and I do make cards, I like to use washi tape every now and then to decorate my cards. So here I am. I've got washi tape, but I like to do and create things. So for those of you who are interested, you can make your own washi tape. All you need is some vellum paper. Now I do have some vellum paper, and vellum paper is a type of paper you can kind of see through. You can do the same thing with tracing paper. Unfortunately, I ran out of my tracing paper, so I cannot show you what it looks like. But it's the same effect. If you have some colored chalks, you can certainly rub some colored chalks very lightly and smooth it into your vellum. Then you can proceed by adding some flowers, stars, whatever design you like on your paper, on your vellum, with this type of metallic pen. This is an oil-based paint pen, as you can see. All right, I made my flowers. I took a Sharpie. I proceeded to make my dots. I started to use a colored pencil, but I find it to be too grainy. I kind of stopped, because the idea is to have the color in the background nicely smooth, to give the illusion of real washi tape. So let me just show you here what I did, and there we go. This is my vellum paper with my decoration. I tried here with another type of paper. It doesn't look as good. It's the deli paper. Deli paper is almost like tissue paper, but a little stronger. I guess you could use it. It's not as nice. All right. Oh, and by the way, I ran this through my Xyron, which is a sticker maker. Where is it here? This is the sticker maker. If you have one of these, they're great. And again, if you're a planner, you know all about these things. This helps you to make stickers. And I made this. So that's just an idea. If you're into washi tape and you want to make your own washi tape, if you would like a more detailed video where you actually watch me make it, then please let me know, and I'll be more than happy to create it for you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and happy planning. It's 2021. It's gonna be a better year. Bye-bye for now.